You can't take followers, you can't take views to the bank. Can you imagine you call your banker today and be like, hey, I had 2,000 views on that video. I'm gonna make my car payment with that. They're gonna laugh at you. The only way you can make your car payment is through buyers, through customers, through patients, clients, whatever you wanna call them, they're buyers. So I had zero, literally zero desire to get a bunch of followers of non-buyers. I would rather have 5 views on a video and 1 person interested in me, okay? So I launched with that. I launched with how can I get really good with my message? Got crickets. It was like no views or nothing. But here's my mindset. If I had like 5 views or 10 views or 50 views on a video, I was like, holy crap. That is 50 people that didn't even know me, that have discovered me for free. This is awesome. Because I couldn't imagine having 50 people in my house. Your mindset matters.